Hi guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So today we will be making vegetable soup, aka Efo Riro, and I'll be making it in LME Major style, which translates to 7 lives. The 7 lives symbolize all the extra meats and fish and everything that's in there. So let's get started. I'll be doing a mix of red bell peppers and these other peppers that I usually get from the farmer's market. I'm not really sure what they're called. I just know what they look like. They might be called sweet Thai peppers. But they're like thinner versions of red bell peppers. So if you can find those, then great. So I'll be blending the red bell peppers, onions, habanero peppers, and these other spicy peppers that are called shombo in Yoruba. I'm not sure what they're called in English. I just know what they look like again. Actually, they might be called chili peppers. You want to start off by blending your peppers, but don't blend it out too smoothly. It's very important for the texture. Heat up some palm oil, dump some onions in there, fry a little bit for maybe 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Pour in your puree. So I'm adding in my locust beans, grounded crayfish, adobo, salt, and seasoning. Mix it all in, cover, and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add the protein. For this, I'm using stockfish, smoked mackerel, beef, tripe, and smoked turkey. For extra added protein, you can use shrimp, cow feet, and some burnt cow skin. A vegetable soup that's not meant for vegetarians. So you want to make sure you get your soup and sauce all inside of the meats and the fish. Soak it all in so it can soak in the soup. Then next, add in your spinach. And if you like, you can mix some collard greens in there, but for this I'll be using just spinach. Cover it up and let cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. And voila, we are done. Serve with pounded yam, or in this case, I'm eating mine with some coconut white rice. Thank you guys for watching. Later. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you.